Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into a fascinating problem that many of us encounter while working with programming functions. The problem at hand revolves around the fgets function in C and why it specifically asks for a size parameter. Ever wonder why that is? Is it a design flaw, or does it serve a crucial purpose in preventing potential buffer overflows? Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind this intriguing issue. Now, let's delve into the solution to our problem. According to the official documentation, fgets reads at most N1 characters from the file stream and stores them in the provided character array. This ensures that the function can prevent buffer overflow by restricting the number of characters it reads into the array. In essence, the size parameter, denoted as n in the function prototype, acts as a safeguard against potential memory mishaps. So, the answer is clear: the size specification is indeed crucial for maintaining the integrity of the program and avoiding unpleasant surprises. In summary, we've explored the significance of the size parameter in the fgets function and its role in preventing buffer overflows. By limiting the number of characters read into the array, this feature ensures the stability and security of our programs. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, a subscribed viewer is a happy viewer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding!